Here we will write a Python program to print identity matrix using NumPy. So in comment line first we'll write. Here we will accept size of array from user. So first we'll import NumPy. Then we'll accept size of identity matrix from user. So s equal to int input enter size of identity matrix. Here we will use identity function from NumPy. So first we'll create array with idt equal to np dot identity of size s. Then we'll print this array. And then we'll create another array using the same function, that is np dot identity of size s, and we'll print idt. Now we'll execute this. I will enter size as 3. It will print two identity matrix of same size. Here we can add message. By default, the type of identity matrix is float. We can mention the type while creating the identity matrix. So s comma d type equal to int32, and we will execute it. It will print the message first identity matrix and second identity matrix. First identity matrix will be of float type and second identity matrix of data type is integer, since we have specified the data type while creating the identity matrix.